Welcome back to another diecast showcase. Today I have another monster truck to open up. It is the newest Spin Master Monster Jam Superstore exclusive, the USHRA truck. This was quite an interesting Superstore exclusive to do. There's all that text on the back as the official governing body of Monster Jam. The officials and all that. So the United States Hot Rod Association, you can read the history of it here on the back. And this is like I said, a very interesting truck because it really does feel like a collector oriented piece, which I feel like is kind of different. I feel like it's a bit of a I feel like Spin Master, especially now, is a lot more kid focused. Same with Monster Jam in general. I feel like, to sell more tickets and to appeal to more people, they're kind of adopting a kind of more family oriented approach. But this truck is definitely for the collectors. And I'm gonna open it up and just take a quick look at it. Only one truck today, so it should be a pretty short video, but I am very excited to take a look at this. So, first things first, the USHRA, as it said on the back, is the official governing body of Monster Jam. They make all the rules and stuff, all the safety things that keep Monster Jam as safe as it can be and competitive and everything like that. So, first thing to note is that this is actually on a front engine chassis. So they are using the front engine chassis for this truck. Red rims with the retro tires, which looks great. So already getting a lot of retro throwback vibes, which is cool. And they're using the square body tooling. This casting is reminiscent of like a square body Chevrolet. So 70s to 80s. Chevy Silverado. And so you have some striping along the side, the blue, black, and red striping on a solid white body. You do have the kind of a red, white, and blue Monster Jam logo there. See the USHRA badge there on the side. The stripes then carry onto the hood with the USHRA badge there. You have the grille done up with the headlights printed in yellow. You then have the other side, it's the same, nothing on the roof. And then the back, the striping carries along, except for the black one, because it says United States Hot Rod Association there on the back. And just a really quick walk around this truck. Just some info. It's still available on the Monster Jam Superstore. That is where you get this. It's online only. Cannot find it in store. And I think there's still quite a few left. Like I said, it's not really a kid-themed truck. It's definitely something for collectors and for diehard fans to enjoy. And another thing to note is that these were actually initially priced incorrectly. When these first launched, they were listed as $8.99, which is wrong. They're actually $20, which is quite a lot. $8.99. This was a steal though, that's when I purchased it. I purchased it immediately as it dropped and got it for only $8.99 a piece rather than $19.99 like it is now. So. This thing is really cool though. This is a really nice piece, definitely a collector piece, and this is like the one of the few shreds of Monster Jam actually caring about its diehard fan base. And I don't want to make this kind of this video as like a jab or a knock at Feld, but it just kind of realized, as I've grown up, I've kind of realized, Monster Jam is kind of more focusing towards the kids nowadays, especially the toys and everything. Well, I mean, toys are toys, but I think as a company, they're trending a bit towards family-oriented stuff, which is probably why we have the really garbage World Finals format that we have this year and also other decisions. But I don't know, this is a nice piece. It's a nice piece to have. It actually, it feels like something that the diehard fans will actually like. And yeah, that's the truck. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. A square body with retro striping and USHRA badges. I mean, come on. This thing is sweet. And yeah, quick little video today, but I got this and I had to open it up and show it off. This thing is sweet. This is awesome. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.